In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your iPhone's shaking camera or blurry and making noise and so on. So let's just get straight into the video, shall we? So first things first, if you haven't already, head into your settings and then head into your general and then click on software update and make sure that your iOS is up to date. Because sometimes what happens is when your iOS is not up to date, you could be facing this problem. The second thing is if you have a magnetic case, go ahead and remove that because magnets in a case or mounts can interfere with the optical image stabilization or IS system. The other thing you can try is simply restarting your mobile device. And finally, if none of those work, then what you want to do is simply go ahead and head into settings. Go ahead into your apps and look for camera. If you don't find it inside of apps, it could be outside right over here. So click on that. And now what you want to do is simply go ahead and turn off the macro control option. So let me just go ahead and look for that and show it to you. So there's going to be macro. So as you can see, you can simply go ahead and turn off those settings right over here. And that is it. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.